Russell 2000 small cap ETF just hit all-time highs for the first time since 2021. Now this means there's a massive rotation happening in the market right now. Investors are moving away from these large cap stocks and flooding into these high growth small cap stocks. And these are three of the top stocks you should be watching over the next 6 to 12 months. Now, number one is QUBT. And if you've been watching the market at all lately, you know quantum stocks have been going insane. For example, IONQ, QBTS, and RGTI have all been going absolutely crazy. And QUBT is the one lagging behind the crowd, and this thing looks amazing over the next few weeks. Next up is SMCI, and it's just continuing to hug off of its 200 moving average and trying to curl back to the upside. I would not be surprised to see this thing back up towards $100 a share by the end of next year. As they continue to crack down on international semiconductor manufacturers overseas, you should start to see some money pour back into these US manufactured semis like INTC and SMCI. And lastly is CRWV. Now this one actually deals with AI, quantum, NVIDIA, pretty much all of the key headlines. As you know, this thing exploded like 200% out of its IPO, and it's finally putting in place a bottom over this $75 high, and looks like it's ready for a retest and a break of this previous high to hit that 200 level next. Again, NVIDIA, AI, quantum, what's not to like? Now, of course, this is just an extremely small piece of what I'll actually be watching over the next year. These are three of the main stocks and three of the main sectors that you really need to be keeping an eye on. Stop getting distracted bag holding stocks like Open and other meme stocks and focus on these stocks that are actually worth something.